Let's tell you about what to expect from Budget 2025 this Saturday. Big income tax relief could in fact be brought in. The middle class has been demanding, of course, tax relief for several years now. But this time it's the Indian economy which is also demanding these concessions, and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is likely to pay heed. The wish list is, of course, huge, from sectors like housing to banking, insurance to the auto sector, all looking for a buy of the income tax sops. But where will the axe actually fall? Here's a look in our next report.
In her interim budget for 2024-25, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had set a target for a GDP growth of 6.5 to 7%. 9 months into the fiscal year, the first advance estimate shows the economy missing the mark, with growth at a 4-year low of 6.4%. The government has tried every tool in the book to trigger growth, from incentives for manufacturing to tax cuts for corporates and even a boost to domestic industry via Atmanirbhar Bharat. But nothing has quite hit the sweet spot. Economists now believe it is time to bring income tax cuts for the middle class into the mix. The 5 big possibilities include lowering income tax liabilities for those below the income limit of 20 lakh rupees by raising the exemption limit, lowering rates and rejigging the tax slabs. There is also a proposal to cut the peak rate to 25% from the current 30%. Another expected move is increasing the standard deduction for salaried individuals from the current 75,000 rupees. Exemptions for health insurance premiums and NPS contributions could also be raised. Banks have also sought concessions for interest income to make savings great again. However, most of these relaxations are expected only under the new tax regime, which does not allow for many tax exemptions. The argument for income tax relief in the budget has gained strength in the past few months. High inflation has hurt demand, and with the RBI forced to keep interest rates high to rein in inflation, growth has taken a hit. Economists believe that lower taxes will place more money in the hands of the middle class, raising their disposable income and encouraging them to spend more. And many feel the government can afford this tax cut with its kitty flush with higher revenues. GST collections have hit a record high of 16.3 lakh crore rupees in April to December and were 9% higher than the same period in 2023. Income tax collections have also surged 24% to 7 lakh crore rupees in the April to November period. What could also bring a big change to the income tax laws is the new direct tax code, which is likely to be tabled in Parliament very soon. While it may not impact tax liabilities directly, it is expected to make filing income tax returns a much easier process by making the Income Tax Act concise, lucid and easy to read and understand. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.